This is Blair with Coro Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads in the ZOLL AED+. There are two types of pads that work with this unit. One being the CPR-D pads that give the CPR feedback. Those have a 5-year expiration. Then there's ZOLL Stat-Padz that have a 2-year expiration. Today we're going to go over how to change the CPR-D pads, the ones that come standard with the unit. To change those pads, you're just going to pop the lid off the AED. And pull up on the cable. The expiration date is listed in 2 places on these pads, one on this side and one on the convenience tab. This is so that you don't have to take the lid off every single time you want to check the expiration date. Now to replace those pads, just get the new set, plug them back into the AED. Now it can be a little tricky to get this lid on sometimes, so if it takes you a couple of times, that's okay. Just want to put the convenience tab back through the slit on the top of the lid. Make sure all the cables are tugged in. And you'll hear it snap. If you have any questions or want to go over purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call, 800-695-1209, or feel free to go online at www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.